ho, ho, ho! It's Christmas, David!
Fat Cat Books.
It's Christmas, David by David Shannon, read by Teacher Mike. It's going to be Christmas soon, but it's not yet Christmas Day. But David is trying to get something on the tree. He's doing it very dangerously. He's tiptoeing on the edge of the sofa, and the tree is bending over. It might fall over. What is David trying to get? It looks like David is trying to get the candy cane at the top of the Christmas tree. He wants to eat it, but David can't eat the candy canes on the tree. The candy canes on the tree are for Christmas Day. Where are all the candy canes? I can only see Christmas decorations left. David, have you been eating all the candy canes on the Christmas tree? At Christmas time, everyone always said, "No!" to David. There's a picture of David, and he's holding a lump of coal. That's what Santa will give him if he's very naughty. Don't be naughty, David. No, peeking! What is he doing? Oh no, he's standing on a stool that is resting on another chair, and he's leaning far over on his tippy toes. He might fall and hurt himself. Why is David doing that? He's trying to peek inside a box. Why is David trying to peek inside the box? David, there's no presents in there. Get down. You're going to hurt yourself. David, those are not toys. David is playing with something. He's playing with a sleigh and Santa, but they have hooks at the top. He's also playing with a white horse and 2 reindeer. They also have hooks at the top. These aren't toys. These are decorations for the Christmas tree. Oh, David shouldn't play with these. They're very delicate. They might break. It looks like David's mum is baking Christmas cookies. Whose hand is that? It's trying to snitch a cookie. No snitching. David is trying to snitch a cookie, but the cookies are for Christmas Day. He can't eat them yet. Ruff, 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 ruff. It looks like the dog sees something very surprising. Is it all the beautiful snow? Is there a snowman? Oh no! It's David's naked bum! David is running naked through the street. He must be very cold. Santa's watching, David. He doesn't want to watch this, but he does see all the naughty children. Come on! David is waiting in a queue, and there are many other children waiting too. Be patient. What are all the children waiting for? Oh, there's Santa at the front. Santa is listening to what the children want for Christmas. It looks like one child is very upset and is taking a very long time. Finally, it's David's go, and he has a very long list of toys that he wants for Christmas. What is number 1? Let's have a look. Number 1 on David's list is a bicycle. Number 2, a fire engine. Number 3 looks like a spaceship. Hurry up! Other children are waiting too, but David is taking a very long time with his list. Number 111. I want candy.
David, you already said candy.
I know, but you might forget you are old, Santa. Oh look, someone is writing their name in yellow, and there are some leaves next to it. And why is it in the snow? What name is this? D-A-V-I-D? Oh, that's the name David. David must be writing his name. Why is it yellow? His dog doesn't like it, and it smells really bad. Naughty list, naughty list, naughty list. David's mum doesn't like David using the snow as a toilet. She is telling him that Santa will put him on the naughty list. That would mean no presents for Christmas. David looks very confused. He's holding a knife and fork. It must be dinner time. Don't start yet. Seat your grandmother. No yawning at the dinner table. That's the wrong fork. Sit up straight. Don't reach. Put your napkin in your lap. Get your elbows off the table. David is trying his best to be a very good boy. He doesn't want to be naughty, but it's also confusing. There are so many rules at the dinner table. Oh no, someone broke David's neighbor's window. The children were having a snowball fight. A snowball must have hit the window. It must have been an accident. Did you do it, David? What? I don't think it was David. Was it that girl? Was it this boy? Was it this boy? Santa's going to bring you a lump of coal. It looks like everyone's blaming David. Oh, what is that? It's a Christmas tree, and it looks like someone is holding one of the presents. It's a very long present. Who's holding the present? They're wearing snowman pajamas. It's David. David is holding one of his presents. No, David, you may not open one early. Oh, David wants to open one of his presents now, but he has to wait until Christmas Day. Tomorrow is Christmas Day, David. You can open them then. It's time for bed. But David is not in bed. Where is David? David is standing by the window. He's looking outside at the night sky. What is David looking for? David wants to see Santa. Go to sleep, David. The next morning, the tree is bare. There's no presents under there. Just a big lump of coal. That's what Santa leaves for naughty children. Santa also left a note.
Dear David, sorry you were naughty. Love, Santa Claus.
Oh no, Santa thinks David was very naughty. Oh, David is very upset. He wasn't naughty. He tried his best to be a very good boy. He sat up straight at the dinner table. He waited patiently in the queue to see Santa. And he didn't break the window during the snowball fight. Oh, poor David. He has no Christmas presents. What's this? There's snow behind the snow globes. It's morning time. It was just a dream. Wake up, David. You were dreaming. David rushed downstairs into his mum's arms and held a red fire engine that he got for Christmas. He was also holding a letter from Santa, which said,
Dear David, Merry Christmas. Love, Santa Claus.
Santa believes David was trying to be a very good boy. Can I open my presents? Yes, David, it's Christmas! David opened more of his presents. He got a yellow bicycle, a book. David likes reading stories. Also, he got many treats inside his stocking, such as candy canes and biscuits. David's dog also wanted to eat some of the treats, but those sweets aren't for dogs, and it might make David's dog ill. So make sure you get your pet some pet treats for Christmas. Don't give them your sweets. Number 47. A tree house. Does that come with a tree?
I guess it can, David.
Number 48. A drum set. Ba-boom, 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 ba-boom. Number 49. Candy.
David, you already said candy.
I know, but I don't want you to forget the candy. Number 50. A chocolate cow. As big as a real cow. Number 51. A swimming pool. But I can't swim, so I need a swimming teacher too. Number 52. A jetpack. Number 53. Night vision goggles. Number 53.
David, you already said 53.
Oh, oops. Number 54. A big snake. Number 55. Maybe a little brother, just not a little sister. Number 56. Pepperoni pizza. I don't like the turkey. Number 57. Motorcycle. Brim, 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 brim.
David, you'll have to wait until you're 18 years old before you can have a motorcycle.
18? It takes that long to deliver?
Yes, David, it takes that long.
Oh, okay. Number 58. A cape, so I can fight crime. You can also download these free worksheets for Christmas, such as this template for writing a letter to Santa. Help your child learn how to write what they would like for Christmas. You can also download these free colouring worksheets. Or download this free postcard so you can write to your family. Make sure your child is reading and spelling accurately with the Fat Cat Phonics program. Make learning phonics easy and fun with the virtual teacher, which allows your child to learn along with me. Ant. Complete various exercises. Ant. And read unique stories written by myself, Ant and Fat Cat. An ant is in ink. They're designed to be easily read in the early stages of their reading and will build up your child's confidence. Also, make the end of the lesson revision fun with one of the phonics games. Ant. Download some free lessons now at fatcatbooks.uk. You can play this game too. Just head to fatcatbooks.uk and download this free game. There's also a paid-for version which has more characters and also more levels, so you can learn how to spell. Like how to spell elves.
Get it now! Visit fatcatbooks.uk.